What's up, amazing ballroom dancers? Welcome to another episode of Ballroom with Alexey. My name is Alexey, and first of all, I would like to thank you guys for tuning in and watching this tutorial. I highly appreciate this. So, on this tutorial, on this Thursday, I'm going to give you a couple tips on how to improve your American spin turn in Jive. Alright, so without any further ado, let's just break it down. Alright guys, so let's start by dancing our American spin turn slowly with my count, then we will break it down into little parts. Of course, this figure is mostly done by followers, but I will still highly encourage all of the leaders to practice this with us, because sooner or later we're all gonna have to turn and spin. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. So first thing where I want to bring your attention is to the center. Make sure that your center is engaged and tone. Well, your center has to be always engaged and in tone, but especially when you're doing any kinds of turns or spins. Right, so make sure that in this rectangle, your hip bones and your ribs right here, everything is collected and in tone, not too tense, not too relaxed. With that in mind, let's do it one more time. Link, triple step. Okay, so now right here, that is the count 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm finishing on my weight, with my weight on the ball of the foot. My upper body leaning more forward, okay? Now I'm gonna do turn and count and triple step. I'm finishing everything with the triple step. All right, so my actual turn is happening on and, as I said, and how do we do it? So we have to straighten this bent knee and collect the back foot toward the standing. And 1, and 1, and 1, and 1, and 1. Yes, that is one of the most important actions here. Yes, that gives you a good amount of momentum. Of course, you push off of the partner's palm. That's another huge source of momentum, but we don't have partners right now, so we have to be able to do it by ourselves. All right, so now triple step. My palm is here. What another important thing is for you to do, guys, is to collect your hands toward the waist. So look, and triple step. All right, so it's very good to stay more compact during the turn. So if you collect your hands, you'll be a lot more compact and it will be easier for you to stay balanced. Of course, your shoulders should be down and your spine is staying stretched and tall during the turn. Rock, step, stay tall, shoulders down, bam, bam, bam. Your free foot makes the point and passe action, right? In the passe action. And remember that the turn happens on the ball of your foot. Ball. My heel goes a little down, my heel goes kind of down, but I'm not turning on the whole foot. No. Not gonna happen, right? So make sure that you turn it on the ball, but when I'm straightening my knee, my heel is lowering a little bit. So I go, Good, so now there we have to figure out where we have to settle our hip. So we're doing rock, step, triple step, and you see, so now I'm finishing my turn with the saddle hip. And last half or quarter turn, depends how big was your turn previously, we have to finish with the triple step, right? So we're finishing everything with the triple. Usually we start by doing a half a turn first, and then we increase it all the way to 3/4 of a turn. So let's do 3/4. 1, 2, 3, a 4, and that was 3/4 of a turn, and last quarter with the chassé part. Yes, that is actually the trickiest part, is to finish the spin with the saddle hip and then do the proper chassé, because that chassé is kind of like curving chassé. So practice curving your chassé separately as well. Triple step, and again, triple step, and one more time, triple step. So now I will challenge you guys to do reverse action in the American spin. For that, we have to start doing link back on the left foot. So we go rock, step, and then we repeat everything the same, but in the reverse action. It's very good coordination exercise, and it's generally just good to be able to spin both directions. So now from here, on the ball, leaning forward, straightening my knee, lowering my heel a little bit, collecting my feet, doing turn, and tripling. Yes, one more time. Rock, step, triple step, and triple step. Rock, step, triple step, and triple step. All right, so now let's do a little practice amalgamation. So we're gonna start by doing regular American spin twice. One more time. Triple step and triple step. And then we're doing chassé to the right. And then we're doing reverse action. Pam, pa bam, tan, tan, wam, pa bam, pam, pa bam. And then again, chassé to the left, and from the beginning. Okay? So let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, a 4, and 5, a 6. 1, 2. Keep your spot, and a 8. Chassé, hip goes opposite, change, 1, 2, now I move forward, straighten my knee, triple step, one more time, bring in my free foot, and rock, step, triple step, rock, step, 7, 8. Awesome, guys. Thank you very much. That's it from me. I hope that video was helpful for you. And if it was helpful, just press this like button, guys. Subscribe to my channel, because every Thursday I'm gonna release something new. Thank you very much, and I will see you next Thursday. Whoa!